Hi, welcome to Valet Flowers. Today we're going to be disbudding geraniums and cleaning up the geranium cuttings for planting. So I take off any extra leaves that are brown or yellow and I just snap those off just like that. And then some of the buds are very tiny and I just kind of snap those off. You want to make sure that it's a bud and not a leaf. So you have to look at it pretty closely. So I'll take off that yellow leaf. I don't see any buds. Actually, that's a really tiny one. I thought it was a leaf at first. So sometimes I have to double check myself. Yellow leaf, I'm going to take that off because it's going to turn yellow in just a couple of weeks. And one that has a strong bud on it that you can really see, you just snap that off. You don't snap it off at the top like that. You want to snap it off right at the base where it comes up because it quickens the recovery time. That leaf is yellow. Are any of the other ones yellow? I think it's fine. We might have to clean these up as the season progresses. And then I laid out my trays so I knew exactly how much space I had. And I'll just do a divot, I'll push the geranium cutting in, and I'll pinch. And then my tags will go on the outside so the plant is behind the picture tag. And I'll keep continuing to plant all of my varieties. And this one is called Patriot White, but we have red, pink, an orangey color. So there's a lot of fun colors in geraniums. And they will grow in full sun to 2 or 3 hours of sun even. They won't flower quite as prolifically in full as they do in full sun, but they still produce really well in lower light to more light. Thanks, have a great day.